Hi, I'm Matilda Valiev. I will talk about the reasons that motivate me to participate in this training program. As I see, this training program aims to uh, in, aims to increase the individual's professional development, which I see a great opportunity for myself as a young individual. Also, I see this project as a not only a great opportunity to improve myself, also it can benefit it can be beneficial for my future career, also my character development, and the community itself, which I am part of it now. Also, the last reason why I want to participate in this training, because for Azerbaijani nationals it's not that common and not that common to attend trainings or volunteering projects in abroad. So I want to be unique in my country and to be one of the few people that took a training program or training program in foreign country. So that's it.